I did a video a while back where I found this cool piece of test equipment. It is an axial socket that goes into banana leads, and it had a cool switch on it, so you could put it in normal mode, in reverse polarity mode, or in the center it disconnects it. And I was trying to figure out whether this was homemade or store-bought or whatever. This part here I know for sure is a catalog item from Grayhill, but this little box here kind of intrigued me. And as it turns out, you can get these boxes, not with the switch, but I mean just the bare box. And I found them online, so I bought some. So the trick is, if you want to buy one of these, here's the part number. It is a Pomona 2098 phenolic box with banana plugs and jacks, cover, and screws included. All right, I got two of them. They're about $8 each or something like that. So yeah, let's see exactly what you get. You get this cool little Bakelite phenolic, I guess, a little phenolic cover. And it says the box is phenolic too, so I don't know. The box, yeah, I guess it's phenolic. So I guess they're both phenolic. But yeah, see, look at the insides. This thing's super cool. Got bananas on the top, and then it's got banana plugs here, jacks here, and you can do whatever you want inside. And then this one is red. Can you see that? Yeah, it's a red in color. So it's polarized. Polarized, is that a word? Polarized. And then it comes with the two tiny little screws to put it together. So anyway, short video, but yeah, that's the part number. But if you can comment below, what if you had this box, what would you put in it? What piece of test equipment would you build with this thing? I can imagine. I don't know if I could fit an Arduino project in there. Maybe a tiny one with a little, maybe a voltage readout. Possible. But maybe just a passive thing. LC, a low pass filter, high pass filter. Some type of, I don't know. Just make it a black box like you could get in school. They hand you this, say, here, what's inside? You're supposed to test it, figure it out. Yeah. Pomona Electronics, California. Yeah, there's a town of Pomona down in Southern California around LA area, the LA basin. Pomona. They even put the little decimal place after California's abbreviation. And don't call it Cali. That is for people who don't live here. Yeah, but interesting box. Anyway, comment below. What would you put in here? What should I put in here?